We're on the ship and we've got a really long haul to our room. Here we go. And here's our room. Looks like we've got bunk beds and a little desk and a TV. So let's look at the bathroom. So here's our closet. There's our life jackets up above. On this side, I don't know what that is. Here's the bathroom. There's the toilet. And right here is our lovely shower. So we've got everything we need in our room. It's a little small room, but it's okay. We'll have fun with it. We're ready to set sail.